Yorùbá ọmọ kóòtù òjíire òtútù dé o. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ wípé èmi kì í rí ìrà tí ò bá nọ́mọ nínú. Èyí tí mo tún mú wá láàárọ̀ yìí lọ́jọ́ tòní ó kàǹkà ni o. Tá a bá sọ fún yín pé àwọn big men kan wà ní Nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe agbátẹrù àwọn Boko Haram àtàwọn bandits ńkọ́. Lórí ètò tí mo ṣe lánàá mo sọ wípé ìjọba Nàìjíríà àti gbogbo àwọn gọ́fúnà wọ́n lọ́wọ́ sí báwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń pa wá bí wọ́n ṣe ń jí wá gbé. Ẹ̀yin kan ẹ̀ mọ̀ yí mú gbé ibi ló ti rí lè ibi ló ti rí lè tó tún mú wáyé èwo tó tún mú kalẹ̀ yìí òdodo mọ́ ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ọ̀rọ̀ òdodo mọ́ ní kì í mọ̀ sí rọ̀. Ìjẹ́ bí àwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń pa àwọn èèyàn wa tí wọ́n ń já àwọn èèyàn gbé ìjẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ lórí níṣù kan rí. Ṣé rédíò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan ó gbé àbí tẹlifíṣàn kan ó gbé orí níṣù lẹ́yìn ti gbọ́ tí ẹ bá ṣe gbọ́ lórí newspaper àbí òṣìṣẹ́ kan àwọn èèyàn tó pọ̀ ni wọ́n pa o àmọ́ àwọn èèyàn péréte ni wọ́n kọ sínú newspaper yẹn. Ó ń lẹ́fì mọ̀ wípé ejò lọ́wọ́ nínú fún pípa táwọn Fúlàní ń pa àwọn èèyàn wa. Fídíò tí mo mú wá fún wa yìí mo fẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ àlàyé tí ẹni tí ó sọ̀rọ̀ nínú fídíò yìí ká gbọ́ àlàyé tó ṣe dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ àlàyé yẹn dáadáa. Ó tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí. Ó tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí nínú fídíò tí mo fẹ́ play fún wa yìí. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú ogun Fúlàní yìí tó ń jà wá yìí kì í ṣe eré o, kì í ṣe àwàdà o, kì í ṣe eré bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kì í ṣe àwàdà. Jẹ́ ká dìde ká jà fún orílẹ̀ tiwa gangan. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká dúró de àwọn pípù yìí láti wá defend wa o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká náà defend ara wa o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde kí ni ká defend ara wa. Torí àwọn pípù yìí tó jẹ́ àwọn gọ́fúnà sí wa, àwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn sẹ́nítọ̀ sí wa, àwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn representative wa, ó dà kánsílọ̀ kan wà nù wọn. Orí ti wá ro àmọ́ yóò bá kú ni wọ́n fi wá ṣe o. Kí ìrántí wọn yà tí wọ́n bọ̀ síbẹ̀, kí ìrántí wọn àbí fámìlì tiwọn kódà tí wọ́n jì sọ́fìn àwọn Fúlàní òun náà àdúrà tiwọn. Àmọ́ àmẹ̀kúnnù kọ̀ọ̀kan wá Fúlàní ọba pa wá wọn bá jí wa gbé àdọ̀kíá ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe tó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Òun là fi ń sọ àmì pa ọ́fẹ́ èèyàn wa yẹ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan ká gbá òwò tí bàbá wa Sunday Igboho Òòṣà. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Igboho Òòṣà sọ níjọ́ kìíní àná òun ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí o. Tó bá jẹ́ igbe nígbà tí Igboho Òòṣà sọ ọ̀rọ̀ náà nígbà náà lọ́hùn tí a bá gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ dáadáa tá a gbá òwò tí ni tá a fìmọ̀ sọ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni kò ní dí lẹ́wù tó dé lónìí o. Kò ní dí lẹ́wù tó dé lónìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Igboho Òòṣà sọ níjọ́ kìíní àná òun ló wá ń ṣe yìí ṣe ti rí. Òun ló fi jẹ́ wípé àwọn mẹ̀sáyà tọ́nà bá rán sáwà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àká sọ́pọ̀tì wọn àmọ́ ń kọ́ ìsí wọn ni. Tó bá ti wá di òṣòro tán lọ́pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ tó bá ti wá mú wá sí ìmúṣẹ láìsà máa pariwo wọn. Ìgbòho wá gbà wá o, Ìgbòho wá gbà wá o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Kwara àtẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìlọrin tẹ̀ pé ó ní ẹlẹ́bọ nígbà náà lọ́hùn nígbà táwọn Fúlàní bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pa yín ní ìsìn níbẹ̀ tí ń jí yín gbé tí wọ́n ń dà yín láàmú ní ìsìn. Ìjẹ́ ilé ránṣẹ́ pé ẹni tẹ́ pè lẹ́lẹ́bọ tẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí nígbà tó sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà náà lọ abẹ́rẹ́ rí ojú ayé lóde àti ẹ̀rí ojú ayé lóde. Jẹ́ ká jọ wo fídíò náà ṣẹ́ni pé ká jọ wò ká gbọ́ ohun táwọn náà bá gbọ́ ń bẹ̀ àti bó ṣe yé wa sí àti nǹkan tá a bá rí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ tàbí comment ṣẹ́ni gbọ́ ẹ ṣe gan ni ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ tá a máa tún sọ lénìí nípa security ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti nípa security Nàìjíríà. A máa rántí fídíò kan the former Naval Chief that is Kunle Olawumi. Wọ́n sọ àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan lórí channels ní time Buhari regime, and this matter really caused a lot of controversy to the extent that we won't invite àwọn kan for interrogation àbí nǹkankan, telling us that there are some, Boko Haram and bandits in Buhari government. Now, Joko, with what is going on in terms of the insecurity in Nigeria, and saying, who are the people behind this insecurity? To le government Mali jáde láti face wọn, àbí láti mention orúkọ wọn pé àwọn tí wọ́n sponsor àwọn ènìyàn tí àwọn government díẹ̀ ti ní àwọn orúkọ àwọn kan lọ́wọ́. Because what is going on in Kwara State now, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn wá, tí a bá dákẹ́ adé Ọ̀ṣun, adé Kogi, ó tẹ̀ ti dé Kogi already, mo ń tàn ra mi, adé Èkìtì, adé Ọ̀ṣun, adé Ìbàdàn, bó ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wálẹ̀ nìyẹn tí a bá ṣọ́ra. Because these bandits are coming from Niger to Kogi State, now entering the Kwara, and their target is not where Fulani dominates ní Kwara State. Ibi táwọn Yorùbá pọ̀ sí jù, ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti strike. And the way bí àwọn tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn díẹ̀ tí wọ́n náà ti ń jáde, but kò possible kágbára wọn gbé because of equipment táwọn ènìyàn ń lò. Imagine kí wọ́n máa gbé helicopter kó máa fi máa drop oúnjẹ fún wọn nínú igbó kó máa tún fò padà. Àwọn wọn ló ń ṣe, níbo ni wọ́n ti ń rí owó? Kó máa ní helicopter kó máa drop oúnjẹ, kó máa drop equipment, ammunition, kó máa drop ẹ̀ fún wọn. So it's not possible, even though can ní àwọn nǹkan tó fẹ́ lò, there is a way tá gbọ́dọ̀ mo bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe. Now, nígbà tí mo wá lọ wo fídíò, mo ti wo fídíò yẹn several times, tí mo wá tún lọ listen sí fídíò Mr. Kunle Olawumi, which is the former Navy chief, mo jókòó mo wò pé this is the problem. Èmi believe pé jẹ́ kí President Tinubu ti contact a man yìí láti gba advice, láti fún wọn ní a lot of, because firstly there is a lot of improvement in security nígbà tí Tinubu kọ́kọ́ wọlé, and to me I believe that ṣẹ́rí àwọn politicians, all of them if they want to ní strength sí wọ́n máa ti ń jà ní. Tinubu ní strength sí side the economy, àwọn kan ní strength sí side láti da economy rú, àwọn kan jẹ́ ní strength láti destroy insecurity in Nigeria. And to me, ibi tí ẹ pọ̀ sí jù not me. And for those people, lójú ti tèmi, èmi believe pé they are using this láti make sure pé láti bring down Tinubu economy, and the reason is the same issue bẹ́ẹ̀. We all know that the economy is now, reviving. Wọ́n ti stabilize díẹ̀díẹ̀, wọ́n ti stabilize ẹ̀. Wọ́n yẹ ti rí pé yes, bàtí Tinubu kọ́kọ́ débẹ̀, ó scatter ẹ̀, ó ṣe wá ń tutù. Wọ́n yẹ ti wá rí pé kíní yìí ti ń favour Nigeria. Ẹ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn politicians wọ́n mọ bó ṣe máa ń destroy ara wọn. So who are the people that is destroying this insecurity, that is making this insecurity hell to Nigerians? Because tẹ́ bá wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Kwara sí, àwọn community kan wà tó yẹ pé kò sí anybody nínú ibẹ̀ yẹn mọ́. Àwọn community wà ń bẹ̀ tó yẹ pé kò sí anybody nínú ibẹ̀, but ẹ kọ́kọ́ listing kọ́kọ́ understand pé àwọn kan wà nínú government tí àwọn Tinubu government ò mọ̀, tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ lábẹ́lẹ̀ láti destroy security in Nigeria. Like this one is not about Tinubu government, it's about Buhari government. Ẹ jẹ́ mọ̀ wípé APC ní gbogbo wọn. Ṣé àwọn ẹni and governor, let us listen to this man together.
The military intelligence for the past 35 years, it has always been the case. Our problem is religion and socio-cultural. I mean, people would expect me to come here and start talking about kinetics, about operation and so on. I've been an operational commander all my life. I've commanded warships, I've commanded troops, I've commanded men outside Nigeria and so on. But I'm not going to come to your station to discuss kinetics. The problem is not kinetics. In 2017, 2016, I'm always a member of the Security and Intelligence Brief at the Defense Headquarters. I told them, General Shakin then, that the challenge we have in this country cannot be solved the same way we solved the problem of Niger Delta. The Niger Delta problem was solved during Yaradua time, basically by me. And I told them that we can't use that same template for Boko Haram. I told General Shakin to look at the center of gravity of the problem. And we all came together. I was made a member of the committee, including Atahiru that just died was a member of that committee in 2016, 2017. And we came to a conclusion after several arguments. And the arguments were three. To identify the center of gravity of the problem, one group said it is the fighters, the Boko Haram fighters are the center of gravity, so we should go after them. Another group said the center of gravity of Boko Haram is Abubakar Shekau. So if we go after Abubakar Shekau, then the problem of Boko Haram will be solved. I took exception to the group. I said that is not the center of gravity of the problem of Boko Haram insurgency that we were having between that 2012 and 2017. And General Shakin asked me, allow me, why are you giving problem? What is the problem? Give us the answer. And I told General Shakin that if I tell you the answer, you're not going to be able to solve the problem. He said, what is the problem? I said, the center of gravity of Boko Haram and insurgency in Nigeria are the sponsors of that program. It was beyond us. Because the job we need to do is kinetics. Fight, destroy places, resolve issues. Yep. But we cannot resolve issue of sponsors of Boko Haram that were in Buhari's government that we know them. When you say we, who? I was in the military intelligence. And the defense headquarters staff that I work with, they know. And that was why we couldn't pursue that aspect that could have resolved that problem. Because you need to arrest people. And recently, 400 people were gathered as sponsors of Boko Haram. Why is it that Buhari government has refused to try them?
Now, let's first leave that. Let's stop here. 400. Buhari refused to probe them, to question them. Why Tinubu government? Why Tinubu she investigate matter? Chari, to buy the Tinubu government in shape to is wrong, because we have to know what is going on, so that because government in share I know a lot things Tinubu government in share, because they are really trying in time of rebuilding, reviving the Nigerian economy, and Tinubu government are trying their possible best to reshape the Nigerian economy, and they are trying. We are seeing it. That thing is now trying to calm down in time of economy, but this security is getting worse day by day. The insecurity in Nigeria is getting worse day by day, and if Tinubu government did not take necessary action, it's going to affect his government for life. Because your enemy know that you are trying it in time of economy now. You are reviving it. You have strength there. And the only way they can use to destroy your government is to make sure that the insecurity is not in Nigeria. The security is not in Nigeria. So the insecurity is increasing day by day. We all see what is going on in the Zamfara, in Niger, in Borno. Now they are now coming to the southwest. Because if they are in Kwara Ilorin is Yoruba land. When they see north, that doesn't mean, but it's Yoruba land. Even Kogi is Yoruba land. So President Tinubu, you have to do something. These 400 people that they said, yes, won't arrest you, who are they? Why can't you guys mention them? Because TFCC back there, TFCC back to the bill right, to what mention the look able that. Let's continue.
the government knows sponsors of Boko Haram? Of course, it's in the news. In April this year, the government said they have arrested 400 bureau de change related, people that were sponsoring Boko Haram. They told us. And Abu Dhabi also helped us to arrest few Nigerians. Tried them. We know them. Why can't this government, if not that they are partisan and they are actually part of the charade that is going on, why can't they bring those people out for trial?
So the Bureau de Change operators on the one hand, but you particularly said people in government. Are those part of the Bureau de Change, or those people that you say are in government are still there, government is aware and government is condoning them?
The people I mentioned that are in government are not these ones they just arrested. You remember this Boko Haram issue started since 2012. Yeah. And I was in the military intelligence that time. We arrested those people. It is my organization that actually conducts interrogation and interview. And they mention names. I mean, I can't come on the air and start mentioning names of people that are presently in government now that I know. Presently in government.
He's talking about Buhari government, not Tinubu government now.
That we arrested, mention. Some of them are governors now.
Some of them are governors. How much if they arrest the governor to immunity? Let's continue.
Some of them are in the Senate. Some of them are in Asiri. Why should a government try to cause this kind of embarrassment and insecurity to the sense of what happened yesterday?
You see, let us be sincere to ourselves. It's going to be difficult for President Tinubu to resolve the insecurity of this country. But if he can try, he's the one that is going to, he's going to have his praise. People are going to praise him for that. Because insecurity in Nigeria, it didn't call me. Àwọn kan wà, ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀gọ́ tó sọ, àwọn gómìnà kan wà ní táìmù Buhari tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti dárúkọ wọn wípé wọ́n ń pa Boko Haram. Ìyẹn tó bá jẹ́ mọ̀ ń pa Boko Haram, 100% sure pé máa mọ̀ ń pa bó ṣe operate àwọn bandits yẹn. Now, and that's the reason why it's difficult for most of these people to go and investigate and arrest them because they are powerful. To me, what the Kwara people are doing, coming out to save themselves, I think that is the right thing to do. Because if government cannot come out and defend us, we need to camouflage, parade, so I believe that Tinubu government, I know Tinubu government need to do the right thing and try to do something about what is going on in Kwara. Because actually, the Kwara at the Kogi, at the Osho, to that the Osho, President Tinubu, because if you guys don't stop it now, because what you really pay, they all believe pay, and I want to want attack you. I want you badly, ibiti or Fulani dominate you. So why are we killing ourselves and we say we are war? Woman suffer whether editorial can share your call. I can torawani. This is getting too much. We are not together. I will say much than this. My name is Lekuchi. Bye for now.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe.